Hey guys, so right now I'm going to be doing a video on the airplane stuff that I have, like right now, like most of my collection. So we'll start up top. So right there I have a newspaper article about the WestJet planes that are coming to Fredericton. There's some airplane posters. New 787. And you go down here, there's my models. That's my Oasis Hong Kong 747, my KLM 777. And here's like my little Air Transat shrine, because I love Air Transat stuff. So I have like bag tags. There a whole bunch of their stickers. There. And there's some model planes. In the back there is a picture of an Air Transat A310, the new livery, signed and autographed by the pilots. And actually, like, I'll go to the Fredericton airport to see the Air Transat A310 land from Punta Cana, Dominican. There's an A310 model, A330 model with gear. And there's some of my smaller planes and some planes I built. Qantas A380 down there. And up here my Air Canada poster, my JetBlue model, Condor, Lufthansa 747-800, Air Canada Jazz, WestJet, and then like those are my small model planes. And in this bucket I have like safety cards, in-flight magazines, like anything to do with airline stuff, like bag tags. I have a whole couple of safety cards, a plane from Florida. This one I was on an A330. And Lufthansa postcards. I have boarding passes, in-flight magazines, whole crap of stuff. So on Wednesday I'll be uploading the video of the Air Transat A310 landing in Fredericton. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.